Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually use the Spotify app as a complete beginner. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So the first thing we definitely want to make sure is that we have actually downloaded and updated the Spotify app to the latest version. So I'm going to head over to my app store. In the search box, I'm going to simply type in Spotify. If you've already downloaded it previously, you could simply update and check for the updates as well. After that, I'm going to open it and simply log in with your account. You could actually log in with your Facebook account, your Google, or any other accounts which it shows on your Android or iOS, depending on whether what you're using. After you are logged in, you would basically be able to see this kind of interface. You have some of the popular albums, workout, and popular artists as well. Now I'm going to actually show you some of the basic features from my premium account. If you want a tutorial from a premium account, then you could also watch our other video where we show you how you can actually use Spotify as a premium user and some of the notable features as well. After we've actually opened Spotify, if you actually want to listen to a particular song, you could actually simply tap on the recommended songs right over here and then go ahead and simply play it. As you play it, you'll actually be able to see at the bottom. Now you can tap on it and go ahead and simply view this song as well. What you can also do is on Spotify, you can actually also view the lyric or along with the song. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see this lyrics icon right over here, and you can see it is actually going to sing along with the text, along with the lyric, depending on where the lyric is right over here. If you want to share this, you could also go ahead and share this to maybe your Instagram story, your Messenger story, or something else as well. If you want to switch to another song, you can simply tap on the switch button right over here and then go ahead and simply play another song as well. Tap on the three dots on the top right. You have the option to actually like this song, hide this song, or if you want to add the song to a particular playlist, you can simply tap on add to playlist, go ahead and actually create a new playlist, or you could also go ahead and simply add to your existing playlist as well. If you want to turn on shuffle, what you could actually do is actually simply come back and then you could also tap on the shuffle icon in order to actually shuffle the songs. What you could also do is, if you want to search for a particular artist, you can come back to the home screen. In the search box, you can simply type in the name of the song which you actually want to listen to as well. Now on the top left, you have the recently played section. It will show you a list of all of the recently played songs. Tap on the three dots and you could also go ahead and actually like all of these playlists as well. The next thing you can do is, if you tap on this button, if you tap on the notifications bell icon, you can see a list of some of the new songs and what kind of albums has actually been added to the Spotify app. At the bottom, you have the search button right over here. You could tap on the search button. You could search for artists, songs, or podcasts, depending on what kind of people you actually want to listen to. You could also go ahead and actually listen to podcasts from the Spotify app as well. If you want to follow a certain artist, tap on the follow button right over here. You could also actually turn on and turn off shuffle by tapping on this green icon which you see. Basically, that is this normal functionality of the Spotify app. You have some of the popular releases as well. If you have a premium account, then you also actually have the option to download it. Right now we are using it from the free account, so you could actually tap on the song and then you'll find the option to actually download it. If you look at your library section at the bottom right, you'd actually be able to see a list of all of the playlists or artists or lists which you have actually created. You can also go ahead and tap on the plus button in order to add a new playlist on your Spotify app. If you want to upgrade to premium, on the bottom right, tap on the premium button. You could go ahead and actually view some of the plans which you have. Try premium free for 1 month. So basically it is actually going to remain free for 1 month, but then still you would actually need to enter your payment details. Once you go to the home button, what you could do is on the top right, simply tap on the gear icon in order to customize some of the settings. If you want to maybe change your email address, maybe your account info, maybe your profile picture or something. If you want to actually save your data and reduce the audio quality, you could actually set it to very low. You could also download video podcasts. You could also actually turn on device broadcast status and so on. You could also connect to a particular device and control it. You could also actually navigate it for your car, set up a car control, and also stream it using your Wi-Fi or cellular, and you could also use the equalizer feature as well. Now this was basically it on how you can use a Spotify app as a complete beginner. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.